TriStar Hidden Treasures Platinum Autograph Baseball. One per box case. Sorry. All right.
And what were you telling me is the story behind this?
There's I guess there's 12 boxes per case. 7 are Hall of Famers, 5 are inscribed by current players. So it's really kind of just a mixture of whomever. Hopefully we'll get a Hall of Famer.
Nice.
Who we know.
Who we know.
Okay. Looks pretty official. Comes in this little bag. And Orlando Cepeda.
Hey, that'll work.
Hall of Famer 1999. Nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.